Welcome to the Mueller video guide to constructing your new steel building. This presentation is designed to give you a visual overview of how you should prepare the building site, how the basic components of your building should be assembled, the order in which you should put them together, and a few tips here and there to help you make the process a safe and rewarding one. Use this presentation along with the Mueller do-it-yourself building erection drawings that came with your building for instructions and specifications related specifically to your structure. Check local zoning regulations, safety. Before proceeding with your Mueller building project, be sure to check with your local zoning office for any permits or restrictions that may be required for the construction process. Mueller DIY buildings are not engineered structures and do not meet any specific building code criteria. We suggest that you watch the video all the way through the first time in order to get a general feeling for how your building should be assembled. Then refer back to specific sections or chapters as needed during the various stages of construction.